Mr. Kennedy, you are the hero because of your passionate, courageous, tenacious advocacy and work to eliminate the stigma, the discrimination, just what you talked about. It is discrimination. And to champion the mental health parity. And to champion the coordination and consolidation of central nervous system disorders. Because we, of the Schizophrenia and Related Disorders Alliance of America, we recognize your heroism. And we want to give you this award, Shattering Stigma Realizing Recovery, because you've done this even with maintaining your own personal recovery journey.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, and I appreciate your advocacy. We're all in it together, and by advocating, we get to be part of our own recovery, because helping our fellows is what is good for our own recovery, because we're part of a much bigger world and a much bigger community. And the more we feel that, the less isolated we become. And part of our enemy is not only inadequate reimbursement, inadequate treatment, but it's the isolation by our fellows. But if we can break the stigma, shattering the stigma as your award and your organization does and works to do, then we can not only get better cures and therapies and get them paid for, but we can also treat each other with dignity and respect. Because this is an illness that is, stigmatized, and therefore there's insult to injury. When people suffer from these physical illnesses, they're not treated the same way if they were suffering from any other physical illness. So we need to change the attitudes that are frankly fueled by ignorance. And if science can help give more understanding to how we better treat neurologically brain-based illnesses, then not only will we be able to treat them better, but we'll have less stigma associated with them, because people will see them as they would asthma, which I also have, or diabetes, or any number of chronic illnesses that we don't discriminate against the way we do a mental illness. So thank you for your organization's work, and we're all in it together, and I look forward to continuing to work with you. We've got a long road to go on, but the nice thing is it's filled with people on the same journey of life and to recovery that all of us aspire to be part of. So we need to help each other along this road, and I'm honored to be part of it with you.
Well, thank you so much, and we really appreciate all that you've done.
Now, keep up the great work.
Thank you.
Really.